Hello, my name is Kathy Pecora, and today I'm going to discuss the value of finding the right tenant. Well, over the years, since we've been in the property management business, we have found that there are many elements to tenant placement that simply are key to making a profit. And I'm going to talk about two of them. Number one, renting to friends and family. 9 times out of 10, this ends badly, and you always lose. Although initially your friends' intentions are good, they do take advantage of you. They look at you as rich just because you've got a home of your own, plus this rental property. Well, they already know all about your investments because over the years, you've probably shared it with them, or you shared it with other family members that shared it with them. Well, obviously, if they're renting, there are some issues in their financial situation that prevents them from owning their own home. And that's generally why people rent. When they run into financial problems and they're renting from you, they will, without exception, exploit your friendship. Whenever we pick up a property with an existing tenant, the owner is always in trouble and needs us to intervene. They need us to get that tenant out. We've had owners that have let the rent go for years simply because of their personal relationship with their tenant. Well, our advice, no matter how tempting, do not rent to friends and family. Your rental is a business and you have to treat it like one. Number 2, not performing thorough background and employment checks. As a private owner, you probably don't even know how to perform these checks, and the law does make it difficult for a private citizen to do them. You also have to be very aware of the privacy laws and how they can get you into legal trouble should you mishandle tenant information. A tenant can simply file a complaint against you, and you have the burden of proof to demonstrate that you have handled his private information appropriately. Our advice? Hire a licensed property management company to do your tenant placement. It keeps everything objective and private, and that's what you want to stay out of legal trouble. And you'll also get a great tenant. Well, there are a lot of factors that go into finding the right tenant, and it's not easy. Many owners think it costs too much until they've had that one bad tenant. At Atlanta Area Property and Management, we find the best tenant for your property, and if we do the management, we will guarantee that tenant. So before you sign that lease, make sure you're making a sound business decision, not an emotional one.